What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja back again with another lead. It's been a minute, but I am back here to serve you and help you be on your way to making money online. So, to get things going, I am bringing to you a lead from a company called Vision Web. Now, if you want to stick around for just 3 to 4 minutes while I go through this website and let you know what's required, please do that. But as usual, I am a firm believer, and I will always stress this, that everybody wants what they want. But in my opinion, the best way to earn money is to do it passively. That way, you can actually live your life. Now, passive income doesn't mean everything works well. It does. But in some cases, you just need to put a little bit of time initially and set the thing up and then leave it to work. As little time as even an hour a day until everything gets going, you're good to go. So, if you're interested in earning money online passively and how you can build your own online business that allows you to go where you want, when you want, and you can work from anywhere, even from home, in a plane, on a remote island on the beach, as long as you have internet connection, click the link below and let's get cracking. All right. But if you're someone who just wants a 9 to 5 job online, then let's talk about Vision Web. Vision Web is an eye care service provider. Well, it's not a provider. It's a company where providers go to have their jobs or their work outsourced to them. So Vision Web does a lot of product ordering. They do a lot of back office paperwork and so forth, so that the eye care provider can continue the meat of the matter, which is taking care of people's eyes. You, in applying for a job with this company, would be applying for a customer support or customer service representative position. Now, Vision Web has over 20,000 eye care providers that rely on them to make sure that their jobs are up and running every single day. So it's the better way to order products online, right? Everything your eye care practice needs for efficient claims management, Vision Web takes care of it. Okay? They have practice management and EHR software for your busy eye care practice, and they don't have a direct link to the careers or job offers. So you'll scroll to the bottom of the page. It's not a terribly long page. So you scroll to the bottom of the page, hit careers, and the careers page comes up. Now, before you get to the careers that are open, they'll tell you what their company is a bit about, talks about their products and how they push the eye care industry forward. Individuals of all backgrounds feel heard and respected at Vision Web. 40% of employees have worked with them for over 5 years, so it shows that they have a nice environment to work in, since they have a 40% retention over 5 years. The rest of them have probably signed on recently or within the last 5 to 10 years. They just haven't stayed the whole time. So the benefits that they offer: time away from the desk, healthcare benefits. So they have a high deductible health plan, health savings account, and PPO medical plans, dental and vision plans. Vision Web pays 70% of the premiums. As for short and long-term disability, life, and AD&D insurance, Vision Web pays 100% of the premiums. They have monetary rewards, including 401k match, annual bonus potential based on company and personal performance, and annual merit increase based on personal performance. They do have a very fun side. So kitchen is stocked with beverages and snacks all day, every day. Monthly trivia, birthday and anniversary celebrations, annual company party, monthly fun events, bingo for charity, pumpkin carving contest, and potlucks and more. Now, keep in mind that because of COVID, these events would have been restricted, but still, keep in mind that this is how they think. This is more of a what their culture is like. All right. Awards and recognition, birthday awards, company-wide recognition program that encourages peer-to-peer recognition and awards from managers. Okay. Training and development, they have a Vision Web career path planning with a respective manager to, see how best they can help you improve yourself. Training and professional development is offered and encouraged. Free online courses are available through our learning platforms, and outside classes and certifications may be sponsored. Okay, so currently they are looking for positions in the Austin, Texas area, which is where the company is located. However, if they find you suitable, since you will be working from home, as it says here, all these positions are remote work from home positions, then you would be considered still. Okay, let's look at the customer service rep position. If you want to, you can just go ahead and apply. Just click the application or start your application now button if you want to go based off of what I said. But let's just quickly go through what the responsibilities and required experience and skills would be should you choose to apply. So you will provide first level customer support via phone and online for Vision Web customers. You'll identify, research, and resolve customer issues reported by the customer. Triage issues that cannot be resolved at first level support, including follow-up and communication with customer and internal teams until issue is resolved. Provide product, service, and company information when appropriate. Effectively use Salesforce, which is the software I mentioned earlier, and other company tools to support customer issues, reporting, and documentation and case management. Provide additional support for other team members to assist customers with technical or product inquiries. Work with internal and external teams to troubleshoot and resolve product issues, whether reported from a customer or internally discovered. Make recommendations on process improvements. Escalate issues to provide excellent customer support. Interface with all necessary departments and customers to provide necessary support and direction. So, experience and skills. Experience in optometric or ophthalmic practice, including use of practice management software or equivalent experience, is preferred. Knowledge of spectacle lenses, contact lenses, and frames preferred. So if you are someone who's been wearing glasses, contact lenses, and so forth for years to the point where you literally know this stuff inside out, you would be a good fit. You must love problem solving. You must have customer facing experience. Excellent written and verbal communication skills and ability to type 30 words per minute. Effective team player. Knowledge of Salesforce is a plus, not necessarily a requirement. Computer literate with the ability to learn customer service applications. Ability to work in an ever-changing, fast-paced environment. Microsoft Office Suite. Able to work flexible hours when necessary. If this sounds like something you would love to do, click start your application, and they have it in the form of not a questionnaire, but there's different stages. So you first name, last name, email address, so on and so forth. Click continue. It takes you through the process, and it's as simple as that. So again, if this opportunity has brought you to me because maybe you should be starting your own online business for a relatively low sum of money, or low investment in yourself. I don't think investments I don't think the value of the investment is determined by the amount of money you spend, but the level of quality it brings to your life. And these investments I have made in the links below that I'm telling you about have brought tremendous value to my life. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. However, if you do want to pursue working for Vision Web, go right ahead. It seems like a pretty good company from the United States, and you can literally work from the comfort of your own home. So you roll out of bed, get ready, breakfast, sit at your desk, and you're off to work. But again, if you want to roll over, get ready, and go out the door and live your life while automated softwares and so forth are running your business for you because you've put time in initially to set them up, then click the links below. We'll have a chat. And this is it from me, from the Internet Income Ninja. I wish you all the best with this lead. And if you choose to click the links in the description below, I wish you all the best with that as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.